Oh, I'm just patiently waiting for 2018 to be over because I am so over it. Coming into 2018, I was just like, you know what? People usually be like, this year's my year, and it works out for them. So coming into 2018, I'm like, yo, 2018, it's my year. Like, I came in very positive. I'm a firm believer in whatever you put out into the universe, it comes back. Like, whatever you manifest, it can happen. So, like, from January to April, things were just fine. May hits, and things just started getting like just dealing with stuff. And man, I'm like, all right, whatever, I can get through this. June comes, June 7th, I have knee surgery. Now that kind of puts me out for most of the summer. Like, I had to wear a brace, one for 2 weeks and then another one for 6 weeks. Yay me. Literally just got the brace off July 18th, and now I just don't really feel like doing anything. So now, in June, still talk about June, was having family problems. Like a family member of mine was just kind of going through things, and they're dear to me. Now, let's go to July. July 2nd, my grandmother passes away. And she's the only grandparent I have ever known. So that, like, don't cry. So that, like, really hit me hard. So, like, I've really been dealing with a lot from May to July. And, I'm one of those people, like, you have to push through, you have to go through things. And, like, there's people out there whose lives are much harder than what I'm going through. But oh my gosh, it's been very hard, and like it makes me very skeptical for the rest of my year. Like, I'm really petrified. Like I said, I'm one of those people that stay positive. So I'm like, August could still be good, September could be amazing. Like, my birthday's next month and I'm going on vacation for my birthday next month. October could be good, November and December, but I am just so skeptical because it's been like May, June, July, something has happened. So, I'm over 2018. Like, I know people have been saying it, and I'm like, oh no, it gets better. My 2018 so far, like I said, from May to July has just been a hot mess. Like, a hot mess, and the only thing I can do is push through it and, hope for the best. But Lord, God knows I'm over it. I'm so over it. And I know I'm not the only one, because I've seen people like, 2018, like, throw the summer away, throw the whole year away, and I agree. Like, I am so over it. But guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you see and like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and hit that bell so y'all can get my notifications. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Mwah.